Oh my god, I forgot my arm. Crap. Oh, what is on this? Why do I always forget my arm? Hello and welcome back to another video. This week's topic, well, this isn't a weekly segment, but today's topic is TikTok. I am the cool dad, according to all my kids, and I hopped on the TikToks trend. So today, I'm gonna be trying new recipes based off of the tick of the talks. So this week's recipe is blueberries. But not just any blueberries, blueberry milk, because I hate the taste of actual milk. So we're adding blueberries to it and following this TikTok recipe. Let's get started. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do is we're starting off with our blueberries. According to this TikTok, we need 4 whole ounces of blueberries. So I have my handy dandy scale over here. I need like a bowl or something to zero it though. Okay, so here's my bowl. I'm gonna wait for it to zero with the bowl on top of it. Ounces, here we go. How do I open? Haha. Oh, these are pre-washed. Thank you. I don't really know how much 4 ounces is. That's not even an ounce. Okay. Well, that's 1 ounce. 2 ounces, so we're halfway there. This is 2.5 ounces. Oh, I need like dramatic music or something. We're almost there. We're at 3.5 right now. 3 3/4. 3 7/8. 4 ounces! I feel bad. These are literally all of the blueberries. What if we halve this? I'm just one person and I don't know if this is gonna be good. We're gonna halve it. You know what? Because I feel bad eating food. Even though it's for me to eat, I always feel bad when I eat food. Because I'm like, what if someone else wants that food, even though I know that these were bought specifically because I love blueberries? But we're just gonna have it, because otherwise I will cry. Here we go, 2 ounces, let's go. It'll be like 1 personal serving. And now what you're gonna do is take literally this half of a handful of blueberries and put it on a medium heat on the stove and give them a mash. Have my blueberries, have my pot. This is barely anything. Wow, that stained the bowl. That's kind of nasty looking. And now, medium-ish heat, and I gotta find something to mash them with. Where's Keith? I expect no judgment from this family. I'm using the back of a gravy ladle to mash these blueberries. No judgment. Oh, they're not mashing. This isn't working. This is terrible. This is such a huge mistake. Why am I doing this to myself? This is bad. This is so bad. How do I do this? I need to find something better. This isn't working. Oh my god. So now I'm using a plastic cup. Just trying to give these guys a mash, and it's actually working fine. Like, I'm a little shocked. Thankfully the pot isn't hot enough that it's melting the plastic. It cooled down quite a bit and it was on a low heat anyways. But this is actually working great. It just looks really nasty. Like, really, really nasty. Oh god, this looks so gross. Honestly, little therapeutic though. I feel my arm's getting a nice workout from this. Feels very therapeutic to just, you know, destroy things. I think all of these are pretty mashed. The next thing we do, because we're halving this and just making it for moi, we're gonna add sugar to taste, brown sugar to taste, and a 1/4 cup of, what's that liquid called? Of water. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back on the low heat and grab some sugar. Okay, so 1/8 of a cup of water. I'm so worried for this. This does not look right. And then some brown sugar to taste. And it looks like the person who made this put quite a bit of brown sugar in there. So I'm not really sure how much to actually do. I don't know. We'll start off with like a ladle full. I should probably rinse this off. Okay, ladle full of brown sugar. This looks so disgusting right now. I really hope this tastes okay, because this looks so nasty. You're lucky I'm not doing close-up shots because you would be very grossed out right now. It's like brown in color. Okay, now that it's heating up, it's starting to look more purpley, like more blueberry-y, but it still looks pretty weird. But it looks a lot better. And I think it might be too early to taste test it, and I don't really know what it's supposed to taste like with sugar. I feel like I'm messing up in so many ways. Oh, that tastes fantastic. That tastes really good. Oh my god. I know it's literally blueberries and sugar, which are like my two favorite things, but that tastes fantastic right now. So we're gonna just wait for this to come to a boil. Okay, so it is boiling now. It looks like it reduced by a little bit. So it is time to take the measuring cup, because that's what the TikToker used. Pour it in here. Well, first reduce the heat. First we're gonna turn that off. But we're gonna take our blueberries, pour it in there, and then cool it down in the fridge. So, wish me luck because I spill everything. We're gonna do it the dangerous way. Also, don't mind my arm. I just didn't want to spill hot blueberry sauce all over myself. This is such a bad idea. This is such a terrible idea. Why am I like this? You know what? I didn't spill and I'm very proud of myself. How much did this make? I'm very curious. Oh, I thought I turned this off. I turned it on low. I'm dumb. Okay. This made a 1/4 cup total. So if you make the normal recipe, it'll make 1/2 cup because I have this. But normally, 1/2 cup is what it makes. This made me a 1/4 cup. So you guys know how I'm like obsessed with Gordon Ramsay, right? And I've seen every episode of anything he's ever made at least like 12 times. Well, he says he's all knowing. He says that if you put something that's like super hot into the fridge, like spaghetti sauce, that it'll sour. Is this gonna sour? Like, is that a dumb question? I feel like that's a dumb question, but should I like let it cool? I think I'm gonna let it cool down first before sticking it in the fridge, cause your boy likes blueberries and I do not want to mess this up. Okay friends, we're on our next part, which is the blending part. My blueberries have been cooled, so we're adding them into our thingamabob. I think I'm actually using the same exact blender as the person in TikTok, and I'm not really sure how much milk they put in because it doesn't say, so we're just gonna guesstimate for today. I forgot to grab milk. I'm so dumb. Stay there. Alrighty. Okay, here's the milk. I think I'm just gonna go until I get the same color. Although I'm meeting the max line. I'm very close to the max line. That looks way darker than the TikTok. This is super, super dark. I also am gonna mix it with some half and half because for some reason the only milk we have in this household is only skim milk, and yeah. What does whole milk even taste like? I don't know. So we're adding some half and half for creaminess. This looks so dark. I am so worried right now that this is gonna taste really gross. I probably should have put myself in focus instead of the blender, but it's too late for changes now, folks. Okay, here we go. Putting it in. That freaked my dog out. This actually looks like the right color now. This is like the exact color of the TikTok, so that gives me quite a bit of hope. Okay, so the next step in this TikTok was actually to strain it, but like that sounds pretty unnecessary. I don't really care about how like silky smooth it is, you know? So let's just, oh, it is very foamy. This is beautiful in color. This is so pretty. I need to take a picture for my boyfriend because this is my favorite color. I think this might actually be lighter now that I'm looking at it. Ooh, my egg in Pokemon Go is about to hatch. That's exciting. You want to know what I got? Let's see what Pokemon I got. This isn't what I was expecting. It like doesn't taste like blueberries. Like it's really good. I don't even know. It doesn't taste anything like blueberries. It tastes really, really weird. I can't tell if I like it or not. It's so pretty in color though, but this tastes so strange. Maybe I should try it with like something else next. So if you have fruit suggestions, do you want me to try pineapple milk or cantaloupe milk, orange milk, strawberry milk, raspberry milk, blackberry milk? Like let me know and maybe I'll give it a try, because apparently this works for any fruit. My Pokemon was really lame. I'm very upset now. So like just give me a heads up and I can try it. But very weird. Can't tell if I like it or not. I just lost part of a blueberry. But a very nice color. Very pretty color. Anyways, that's all for today, folks. If you have any recipe TikTok suggestions, let me know down below. DM me those TikToks and I'll see you next time. Shiro is